Welcome to the Blue Mouse Knits. Today I'm going to teach you how to undo a purl one through the back loop. We're going to go into this stitch here. If you can see it, it's just below the current stitch on our right hand needle. We're going to kind of go in the hole below our current stitch from back to front. So into the hole from back to front. Once it's on your left hand needle, you can slide it off your right hand needle and pull out the yarn. And now it's correctly reoriented on our left hand needle. Again, you can kind of pull it down to see. There's a hole below the current stitch on our right hand needle. So you're going to go into it from back to front. And then once it's on your left hand needle, you can slide it off your right, pull the yarn out. If you can't see the hole very well, you can also kind of from back to front, pick up the left leg of the stitch below your current stitch. So if this is the full stitch below, there's a left leg and a right leg. And I'm just going to grab the left leg. And again, just grab the left leg. So whichever you think is easiest until you've undone all the stitches that you need to. I hope that was clear enough for you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more tutorials.